Hello guys, so today it's another vlog and today's vlog we have this three Canon vlogging camera. So this is the best vlogging camera in 2023 that you can buy in Canon. Yeah, Canon brand. So today let's try to check the quality one by one of these three Canon vlogging camera. So without further ado, but again, and before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So let's go. So I think we go. So first we will use the BX PowerShot V10. Yeah. So let's go. So let's go. Let's use the Canon V10. So let's try this new plug-in camera from Canon. So guys, this is the Canon PowerShot V10. Tama? V10, yeah. This is the PowerShot V10 with the built-in microphone, and of course we shoot at 4K 24p, f2.8 aperture with the ISO 200. So at least I'm using the lowest ISO. Auto tracking, face tracking is there, and of course it's 4K 24p. So this is the quality, guys. I'm shooting in a manual mode. So I will try all the three cameras in manual mode and as possible as lower aperture and the lower ISO. So again, this is ISO 200 with aperture f2.8, and we are using the built-in microphone of the Canon PowerShot V10. So again, this is the quality of the camera. So I'm gonna show you how it's small and yeah, it's very useful, this camera. You have already a small stand. Of course, it's a touch screen, and you can flip the screen, and yeah, so it's very compact, and again, this is the quality of the Canon PowerShot V10. So let's try again the other cameras. We have the G7X Mark III, and of course the other one is the Canon R50. R50 na yun doon sa labas? Yeah, Canon R50. So let's go. And this is the Canon G7X Mark III. So this camera released last 2019 August, but still it's very popular, especially nowadays. They're like a compact camera for traveling and also again for vlogging. Again, this is the quality of the G7X Mark III using the built-in microphone. I didn't put any external mic. Using shutter of 1:50, aperture f2.8 with the ISO 125. So 4K 25p. So this is the Canon G7X Mark III. So and this is the quality of the Canon G7X Mark III. Focusing is good, like autofocus from face focusing, face tracking. So yeah, again, this is our second camera that's good in vlogging for Canon. Yeah, the Canon G7X Mark III. So yan. For the next camera that we will use is the Canon R50 ba yun? M50? R50. So let's go. So on the next camera that we will use is the Canon, or the best camera for Canon vlogging is the Canon EOS R50. So we have the first, the PowerShot V10. The next is the G7X Mark III, and also we have the mirrorless type camera for vlogging. Again, this is the Canon EOS R50. So one of the best vlogging camera in 2024. So again, if you are fan of Canon, then fanatic in Canon. So if you want to purchase or buy vlogging camera for Canon brand, check these three vlogging camera from Canon. First, the PowerShot V10. Next, the Canon G7X Mark III. And of course, if you want more interchangeable lens with the bigger sensor, which is crop sensor, and mirrorless type, and the changeable lens, then go with this Canon R50. Yeah. So I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, check these 3 vlogging camera, and again, not all these 3 camera that you can check if you want, but on this topic, this is the best 3 camera vlogging in 2024. So yan, if you want more Canon cameras for vlogging, check also the Canon 250D, which is a DSLR type, and also the Canon M50 Mark II or Mark I. So these 3 cameras from Canon also good for vlogging. So I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, check again the Canon cameras model, the PowerShot V10, G7X Mark III, it's very compact, and also this Canon R50. So yan, again, I'll show you the R50 recording 1:125 f4.5 with the ISO 800 and without any external microphone. So all test now is without external microphone, same as the V10 and also the PowerShot, the G7X Mark III. So all test is using also I'm using also 4K 25p. Yan. So I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of the Canon, which is the 3 I mentioned, the best, which is the V10, G7X Mark III, and this R50, you can visit our website www.apworld.com. So all the Canon cameras already in our website, or if you want to check the cameras, you can visit us here in Megastore showroom. All the camera is already there. So yeah, I think that's it today. Thank you, and again, mabuhay.